Well, today we're gonna replace this.
Our first replacement part since we've lived here.
I guess. Hey y'all, I'm Michael.
And I'm Kelly.
We've been planning and preparing to sell everything in our house that we can't fit into an RV for the last 6 years.
After asking Michael what he wanted for his birthday and him telling me,
all I want is just to be out of our house and into a motorhome.
I knew I couldn't get us into our motorhome before his birthday, but I could get us into a small travel trailer.
Boy, was I surprised.
So come along with us as we transition from a 2,780 square foot house my grandparents built in 1964 to a 31-foot travel trailer.
Emotions and all, this is going to be quite an adventure. We had a cold snap, what, 2-3 weeks ago?
Yeah.
It snuck up on us. It didn't think it was supposed to get that cold. I think it got down to about upper 20s, 29 or something like that, and didn't have the water spigot and that covered to keep it from freezing, but we had the pipe coming up out of the ground we had covered.
We actually had no water that day. I had to wait until it all thawed out. Yep. And as it would be, it was a day I was off.
Yeah, this is a water pressure regulator.
I missed that.
What's that? Water?
No, I miss that regulator because it gives us better water in the shower. Well, and washing dishes.
It gives you better water pressure all throughout, because right now I still got the old one on there. I don't know what it is, but it's real weak, so it's right. Better than having just a full force, full pressure coming out of the spigot, going through the lines in the house.
That hurt a little, didn't it? You hate to spend money that you already spent one time.
Yeah. We're learning. Y'all can learn from us too. Most definitely. We've been keeping an eye on the weather lately. Of course, now we've got it covered.
Thanks to HelloFresh.
Yeah, these are the bags that we get from HelloFresh, which I think is about like the silver stuff that you get. This stuff here you get in rolls.
Oh yeah, that's what.
You get this. You can get this at. I know you can get it at Lowe's and Home Depot, but you might even be able to get it at Walmart. But HelloFresh, and it's just a bag that goes over it. But here's the. I better shut the water off first time.
That'd be very nice, probably. Unless you want to get wet. No. So when you said it was broke, I thought it was going to be cracked.
No. Well, we'll let y'all guess which one's the brand new one and which one's the...
How can you tell? What's the difference? Okay. Gotcha.
Now, this may still work. I don't know. I'm gonna get with them and find out if it still works.
Well, maybe we should see if we can return it.
No, you can't do that because it says do not let it freeze. But I'm gonna call them up and see if we can still use it. It may still work. But my line, I think it is. You see where that's at right there? That's at what, about? I think that's about 50.
Yeah.
If you get it to work, I'm trying to think of which way it comes back around. But I'm gonna find out exactly what screwed up on it. But we went ahead and got another one, so we know for sure that we're gonna be good.
Well, if you can fix it, it would be nice to have a backup.
Exactly, that's my plan, to put a backup on it. But when you hook it up, it says, you know, sometimes guys got to read the directions. It says to hook it straight up to the spigot. Don't put it on a wire or nothing. And let's say to do this thing where it's straight up and down, where the oil don't leak out. But good, no, I can't do that.
Oh, that's oil?
Yeah, that's all in there.
What's that for?
I guess it lubricates the inside of the...
I wondered what that was. I thought it was
Okay,
water,
hold on.
maybe.
Putting on the quick connect now.
What's that for?
Quick connect.
You know, there may be ladies like me watching and they're just wondering, why are you doing that? What's that for?
It makes it quicker to hook your hoses up instead of having to constantly thread it on and off all the time. For the ladies, like she said, I'll make sure there's an O-ring, rubber O-ring down in there.
Oh, that's why it was leaking.
Yeah, that's why it was leaking.
Gotcha. But you can't find it?
No.
Okay.
Well, it's always a good idea to have spares.
Oh, see, that's why I have you. You know things like that I don't know. He's pretty handy. Gotcha. That one's gold, that one's black.
Yeah, that one's got the rubber washer in it.
So this whole part is bad now?
No, I've got spares. It's just that I found this when I was looking for the one to go on that. But
Oh, to show the difference.
yeah.
Okay.
But I'm gonna actually put this one on there.
Oh, that just pops off, huh?
Mm-hmm. Quick connect.
I'd be screwing and screwing. Oh, quick connect. I get it now.
Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in and we're gonna, once I turn the water on, we're gonna go in and we're gonna open up all the faucets. And we're gonna flush the commode to get all the air out of the line. You wanna do that so that you got your water lines full of water. And that's how you're gonna adjust the pressure throughout your, we call it a home. This is our home. That's how you're gonna adjust the pressure throughout our home. Just turn everything on, get all the air out of the lines and shut it off so everything's full. Then that's how you're gonna adjust your pressure with the set screw.
Uh-oh.
See that right there? That's what I didn't want to get inside, see all that dirt?
Yeah.
It's probably from that filter getting loose again. It's got pressure on it. Compacting all that charcoal.
Yeah.
It's not the first time it's done that.
So is it clean now?
Now it's time to go in and turn all the faucets on and get the air out of the lines inside. We got
Gotcha.
it in there.
That's the bathroom sink water pressure. It's the kitchen sink. That's full blast. So that's a pretty big difference too without the pressure regulator. We don't have as much pressure in the sink for the kitchen either. Hit it. Well, I guess this is where I see the most difference. There we go. I should have done that earlier. That's where I see the most difference. I'm trying to spray my dishes clean. Uh-oh, no, I can't turn it off. Are we just leaving that on?
Yeah.
Get the shower going? Show the difference?
I don't matter. We can do that thing.
Oh, I was just going to show the difference. Because I turned the shower on a minute ago and it was not very... There we go. Now that makes for a better shower. Now what you doing?
Come on in and get the...
What does this do?
You can get all the air out of the lines so that when you close everything off,
And close everything off.
you close everything off, you've got pressure throughout the house and throughout the system. That's what you're going to have for your water pressure, and that's what you'll adjust it to.
I feel like we've done this before.
I've done it one other time before we broke the first one.
We didn't break it. Mother Nature did.
Yeah.
So what are you looking for?
The pressure to be I like 40 pounds.
40 pounds.
Yep.
He said 40 pounds. So you just use a screwdriver to adjust the pressure?
See it going up?
Yeah.
Okay, you turn it to the right and it goes up, increases your pressure. And that right there is at 40. Our home is rated for, I think it's either 40 to 50 or 40 to 55 PSI. And we were happy with 40. That's what I had the other one set on. So we're going to set this one at 42.
42?
40 also.
Better.
But we're going to set this one at 40 also. Just to add a little caveat, what I did, I believe I had it set at 50 when I turned it on. It went up to 50 and stayed at 50. And with the pressure on it, I could not get it to go back down. So what I did, I turned it all the way down to where the set screw would stop, and then I relieved the pressure on it, and then turn the pressure back up, and then that's when I started setting it to my pressure. So you may have to do that. If you got pressure on it, turn the set screw all the way down, and then let the pressure off, which should cause your gauge to drop back down, and then kick it back up once you put pressure back on it. When you've seen it went up when I turned the set screw, when I turned it to increase it, you've seen it went up. That's what I found worked for me. You may like it where it sets at when you first take it off, which I think it was at 50 is what it looked like, but I like 40 just to be on the safe side. But I hope this helps with setting up your regulator. If y'all got any questions on that, feel free to post them down below. We'll look at them, we'll get back with you. Any comments, same thing. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if y'all liked it. Give us a thumbs up too to get it out there. I've seen the little things on other videos, a like is free, so just go ahead and like it. It helps get it out there and gets us out there a little bit further. And then share it, of course, because you never know who your family and friends are that may have to deal with the regulator like this.
So what are you going to do to prevent this from happening again?
2 bags that we got covering that up. I put a trash bag on it because that'll draw a little bit of heat on it too, but so far that has worked because we've had nights below freezing again into the upper 20s again and nothing froze. So that seems to
Yeah, we
work.
haven't had another day that we didn't have water.
Yeah,
So yeah.
So that worked covering it up like I've got it.
Good idea, honey. I would have never thought to recycle our Hello Fresh freezer bags.
Yeah, that's a little plug there for Hello Fresh. But we're learning, and that's all part of it. That's what I look forward to doing. I look forward to learning.
Yeah,
it's a
we
different
learned the hard
lifestyle.
way because I had a whole day that I didn't have water over Thanksgiving break when I was off work.
Yeah.
Well, half a day because it finally eventually thawed out. But yeah.
It's all part of the fun.
Oh,
all part
yeah,
of the adventure.
I was fine with that.
So that's why we call it MikenKelsAdventures.
Right.
Until next time, see y'all.
Bye, friends. Be blessed.
Oh my gosh.
I feel like you're going crooked, sideways. What's going on?
You don't have to video all this. This is preparation.
Well, I mean, So is this supposed to be happening?
No, I'm wondering if when it froze, if it didn't mess up the quick connects.
Well, it hasn't been leaking like that, has it?
Yeah, but it hasn't been on either. The Y hasn't been on. It's just been a straight shot.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.
So we're going to have to buy more of those?
Might have to.
Well, that sucks. Had to take your coat off?
Mm-hmm.
Is that because you're getting hot or you're getting
No, it's
hot?
it's warm in the sun.
Oh, as long as you're not getting hot, angry. Want to say something? Want to vent?
Just then I put the one back on that I took off to begin with.
Are you serious?
That's why it's leaking. I'm like, hey, why is that thing leaking? I didn't done that.
And you didn't even let your Yankee come out.
Gonna try to maintain my composure
With filming or...
Mhm.
We should turn the film on all the time then. Can we just constantly run a camera?
Sure. Can you video the water? Can you see where the water's gonna go out at?
Yeah. Well, you just wanted bloopers for this part, huh?
You gotta go, you gotta go.
Mm-hmm. If you say so. What?
Let's go.
Oh, okay.
Front row.
What?
Water's not going. Uh-oh.
Where are you rushing off to?
In the midst of doing this video, two things. Well, I know that the gray tank's flashing full. The sink is still full and the tub was going down slow.
Uh-oh.
So we know that's full. And then of course, the crapper's full.
Oh no.
So I'm gonna go. I got the.
Hey, I know how to do that. You want me to do it?
Yeah, come on, you can do it.
Okay. Uh-oh. What's going on?
I unscrewed it.
You just wanted some more bloopers. It would have been better if it had sprayed you.
No, it wasn't in there.
You reacted too quickly.
Yeah.
Is that it?
That's it.